Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be saving in my debt binder with games and collabs. So if you're new to this channel, this is a way that I save money to pay off my debt. Today I'm going to be saving $125. All of this money would normally have just gone straight to my credit card, but I like to pull it out and I like to play with it, and then I like to see how much I save at the end of the month. And sometimes it's more than I even needed to pay on my debt, and so I get to pay a little extra, which is always motivating. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start, this is my new binder, by the way. I got it at Hobby Lobby. And I love it because it has these big old rings, which is perfect because I have a ton of challenges in here. So, okay, let's start with some of these games. All right, this one is called Grow Your Savings, and it is one that I gave in one of my Ko-fi memberships. So let's see what we're gonna do today. All right, 4 is a harvest, so that's a scratch that we get to do. So 1, 2, let's scratch this one off. Okay, that's $1. Let's roll again. All right, $2 is water, so that's save another $1. Let's roll one more time. 1, that's a roll and save, so let's see what we're saving. That is 4. Okay, so in this challenge we have 25, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this next challenge is a stickers challenge. This is part of my Boo Box, which is on sale again, by the way, for the month of October. So go grab it if it's been on your list. We're gonna do one of these bats. So we'll do this one right here. This is for $8. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so in this challenge we have 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 46. All right, and then finally in this section we're gonna do my savings tree. This is available on my Etsy store if you would like to buy it. We're gonna save this one for 4, and let's do this one for 3. So 5, 6, and 7. All right, so we have 20, 30, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, then we left off somewhere around here, but I wanted to start with Glory's budget today because we just have one more row to go with this Shut the Box. So I really want to finish this so that we can go ahead and put this money away. Oh my goodness, that is not a good sign. Okay, so we got a 2. 12, we'll do 9 and 3, 9, okay, let's do 8 and 1, 5, 4, oh boy, 6, oh my goodness. Okay, that's 8. So we are saving $7 today. I thought we were gonna shut the box there for a second. Okay, so in this challenge we saved 2, 4, 65, 71, and 2. All right, so we have $72. This is our first finished challenge. Yay! So that is going towards debt at the end of October. All right, then we have floating funds. So this is a 52-week savings challenge right here. We're saving $2 each time we color an icon. So we're gonna save $4 today and color 2 icons so that we have 25 and 30. All right, so let's color, let's do blue rose. So how is y'all's Sunday going? I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. And let's do a purple rose over here. I have Aria this weekend, so I'm actually recording this on Friday. I took today off because I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I am sick and yeah. So took the day off. I am getting some stuff done around here and just resting a little bit. All right, this challenge is by Our Simplistic Life, but it is, well, I started this a while ago and I'm just gonna be done with this one because these channels, sometimes they're not even here anymore. And the majority of the time, if they are, they're over 1,000 by this point. But sometimes they're not even like people who are posting anymore. So we're gonna just call this good. I have $10 in here because I was putting all my money away from my binders. I would pull them at the end of the month when I started this. So I'm just gonna say that we're done with this, and even though we didn't technically finish it, but I just kind of like, I'm kind of over it, if that makes sense, because it's just not like exciting anymore since it's so out of date. But it was fun while it lasted to get to know some new channels. All right, so that's our, I'm not gonna blow the train whistle because I feel like it doesn't really count, but anyways, okay. Next we have Saving with Tiffany, and this is her egg hunt, and we have a ways to go still, so I don't want to use up like all my money on this, but let's just see what number we're going to look for. Ones, and how many ones? 2 ones. Okay, well that's easy. Do we have any more ones? Oh yeah, there's one right there, and one right here. So that's $1 and $2. That is going to save us a ton when we are done though, because there's still so much to go. We have 50, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 80. Okay, next we have a Cool for the Summer Loteria. This is by Vicky Thinks and Overthinking and Budgeting, Cash Stuffing Co., Cash Money Budgets, and Buttercup Budgets. And we are doing this blackout style, so we have saved a ton of money already, which is awesome. And I'm just gonna give these a little mix, and I'm gonna try not to look at them because I can kind of see through the paper. All right, here we go. Oh, that one's already done. Okay, never mind. Sunglasses, okay. Oh, a tent, the circus tent. That one's already done. That one's already done. The campfire, okay, and one more. Nope. 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 The picnic basket. Where is it? There it is. Okay, cool. So we have to do 2 on this. We have to do 3 on that. We can do 2 here and 1 here. So that's 2, 4. That's 8. We are finishing this one. So 8 plus 11 and 1. 11, so that's 19, that's $20. Okay, $20. So we have this one and this one and this one left. 1, 2, 3, and this one. Ooh, we are getting so close. So exciting. Y'all, I think I lost this one because I don't see it in here. I don't know where it is. Weird. Okay, but I'm just gonna throw the other ones away and I'm gonna keep these ones, and then we will maybe finish this next time. Okay, so far in this we have 1. Oh, wait, there's some more. There it is. Okay, cool. It was stuck in my bills. 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 6, 7, 8, 9. 169. Okay, so we have 50 left to go on that. That is a lot. I was like, maybe we could just finish it today, but no. No, no, no. All right, next we are doing this Together collab. And I'm just going to flip to one that we need to do still. Okay, so we are right here. We're gonna finish this one out, hopefully. Move this out of the way. All right, so this one is by Happy to Save with Hannah. it looks like we made it all the way to the egg, but I wasn't playing the way that I was before. But we're just gonna continue from this one. And so let's see. Let's start right here, because if we landed here, then we should have gone up. All right, so if we roll an even number, we're moving 2 spaces. If not, we're just moving 1. So that is 1, 2, right, or yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that's $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the egg, that is $5. 1, 2. The flour is 2. 1, 2. That's 4. I'm just gonna put this back and grab a 5. 1, 2. The heart is 1. And the flour is 2. Okay, and we are donezo with this one. Okay, so we have 18 going in here. And so that means we have a total of 50, 70, 80, 90, 1, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 125. Woo, crazy. All right, next is the honey jar savings. We roll on this game board, and then that tells us which tiny challenge to go to. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, challenge number 10. All right, and this one is by BL Budgeting. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go check them out. So let's see. Normally I just do all of them, but that's kind of a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's $20. Let's just roll a d6. Okay, we're saving 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so in this challenge we have 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, then we have this Fallin Leaves game by Tailor Your Budget. So the way you do this is you roll a d6 and then you put that number on the pile of leaves. We picked this leaf pile as winning, so we'll see if it actually does. And we're saving up all these amounts. Ooh, lots of 3s today. Okay, so that's 10. Perfect. We have 2 5s right here. As you can see, the first few rounds kicked my butt. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Oh man, and we still have, we're like halfway there now. Okay, next we have this Funky Fall collab. This is hosted by Kimmy's Corner and includes all these people that I will have listed below. And we're going to challenge number 10. Okay, so let's start with this one. Let's see where we're going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, $2. Let's go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another $2. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so in this challenge we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, our next challenge here is by Becca over at Narrow Spicy Budgeting. This is our Wipeout game. Last time I didn't roll a 5 again at all, so let's see if we do better this time. Okay, so if you don't roll this Wipeout number, this is our Wipeout number. If you don't roll that again, then you save all the other numbers. Y'all. That's a 5. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. So that's 33? 33? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3. Oh my word. Okay, so in this challenge, we have 25, 35, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. $80, and we've only played 3 times. You guys, how is this possible? Oy, oy, oy. Okay, next we have the Spooky But Cute Zoo collab. We're gonna roll a d12 to see which challenge we're going to. Okay, that would be the Zebras by Kimmy's Corner. So let's find those. I did not put these in order. Okay, here we go. And I guess we're just doing $3. Oh my gosh, some kids just ran by my window and it scared me. All right, $3 going in there. So we have 20, 45, 6, 7, 8. 20, no, 48. All right, so let's put this little paper clip right here. We will start with magical savings next time. Man, all of these challenges are just really big, and I'm not sure. We got to finish more challenges before the end of the month. Thankfully, this is the first Sunday, and we did finish a couple challenges here. So we're putting away $72, $92. So we definitely need to maybe focus on some of these challenges instead of spreading our money out across all of them, but we will see. When we finish the Cool for the Summer collab, we will definitely be saving like $200. So that's good at least. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow for Mini Mondays.